The to-do feature within Ahrefs Site Audit allows you to seamlessly collaborate with your developers and freelancers to fix and track your technical SEO issues. If we head over to the HTML tags report, you'll see that our example website has a few issues. For example, you'll see that there are a handful of missing or empty meta descriptions. So we'll click on that issue, which will show us the affected URLs in Data Explorer. To create a to-do, click on the plus icon inside the field that you'd like to fix, and then type in the new or revised version that you'd like to see. After saving your task, you'll see a marker in the corresponding field, and you can continue adding more to-dos for your backend team. Once you're done, you can review all of these tasks by going to the to-do report in the sidebar. From here, you can export the entire list by clicking the export button. Once completed, your CSV will resemble the same table in Site Audit, which you can then send to your developers. Now, as you run future crawls, Site Audit will look for matching values on your site and automatically mark the completed tasks as fixed and the others as not fixed. And if you want to close the to-do, you can manually mark it as completed, which you can then view by going to the Completed tab. If you have any questions, you can contact support by clicking the icon up here and jump on a live chat or browse through our help articles.